On 10 February 2022, government signed an agreement with Uganda Vinci Coffee Company Limited to process and add value to Uganda's coffee. It is an $80 million project. However, on Tuesday, opposition politician led by Shadow Agriculture Minister Dr. Bedi Bwanika raised a red flag in Parliament, accusing government of giving full powers to a single company to determine coffee business in Uganda.
They seek to render the people of Uganda who survive from coffee production and trade out of the economy, out of business, and they are going to be rendered slaves in their own country.
But the Permanent Secretary and the Secretary to the Treasury, Ramathan Goobi, has dismissed the lawmakers' claims.
The agreement was cleared by the Attorney General of Uganda, and it is within the laws governing this country. I've heard people saying you are creating a monopoly. How can a monopoly be created when this plant is going to utilize only 6.4% of Uganda's coffee production?
Goobi says the country stands to benefit more when there is value addition to Uganda's coffee.
The $600 million you're talking about is peanuts of the value that we donate. Get the $600 million, multiply by 9. That's the money that we should be getting from coffee per year, and we are losing that money. So adding value is of a benefit for us, but most importantly, we are not closing the window of those who want to sell the beans.
Legislators allege that once this company is granted a license, it will determine the coffee prices, which could be below prevailing market prices.
Uganda Vinci will pay for superior quality coffee beans at a premium price. I thought Ugandans would understand these things and should be very happy. Premium price. This price will be determined transparently and shall not be lower than the price approved by Uganda Coffee Development Authority.
Goobi defended the decision to grant incentives to the company, like access to coffee beans and low electricity tariff, saying all other companies are benefiting from the same policy.
It would be inconceivable for Uganda Vinci to set up shop in Uganda and not provide it some comfort that it will access the raw material required, and these incentives are all provided for in the law and can be accessed by any investor.
Uganda Vinci Coffee Company Limited is owned by the same investor who was granted a contract to construct a specialized hospital at Lubowa along Entebbe Road. The project is expected to create 446 jobs for Ugandans and is targeting a $40 billion European market. Jingo Francis, NTV.